let's just get to the project. All right, let's do it. So these are the colors I think I'm going to mess with here. Got this nice red here, and that stuff I showed you a little bit earlier there, and this kind of rose gold paint here. And you can see what they're all going to look like down there. So I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to do it on here, but I'm going to start painting and just kind of see what happens. Let's do it. You can kind of see the blue on the inside there. Try to get it really close, see if that does anything. No. But yeah. All right, what are we gonna do next? I don't know, let's see. You're a really good helper. Dokie, so this one is all done. This one is pretty simple. Just a bunch of buttons all over the place. The button birdhouse, I guess I'll call it, because that's pretty much what it is. Got your red and blue, all your different stuff going on there. Yeah, little nuts. So again, as like the other ones, whatever bird ends up getting this one's going to be the coolest bird in the neighborhood. So, alright, that's that project. On to the next one.